Most people today browse the web on their phones rather than on desktops, so it's more important than ever to design websites that work seamlessly on smaller screens first. Traditionally, we developers have used the desktop-first approach where we style a website to optimize for larger screens first, then using media queries, we change the styles for smaller screens. Let me show you a simple example. Consider this heading on the page. If you notice, this heading size is perfectly optimized for a desktop layout. So we have added font size as 4 rem. Now to make it smaller for smaller screens, we use the max width media queries like media, screen, and max width, setting a device width size like let's say 800 pixels. So if the width is smaller than 800 pixels, we apply the styles here. So let me copy this. We reduce the font size to say 3 rem. And now for devices smaller than 800 pixels, you will see that the font size is smaller. Similarly, for even smaller devices, let me copy this, let's say 550 pixels, we reduce the font size even further, and then the font size reduces for even smaller devices. So this right here is called a desktop first approach, where we add styles for the desktop first, and then using the max width media queries, we change the styles for smaller devices. But the mobile first approach works a little differently. We first set the styles assuming the device is a mobile. So change this to 2 rem, and this will work as it is, of course, because this size is a mobile layout. And then instead of using max width media queries, we use min width media queries, saying that if the device is of a minimum width of 550 pixels and above, change the font size to 3 rem. So now if you increase this, the font size changes for larger devices, and once again changing this also to min width 800 pixels, setting the font size as 4 rem. Notice that now it increases to 4 rem when the width is larger than 800 pixels. Yes, so it works exactly the same as before, but the approach is different. The way you write the CSS is different, and this works better for mobile devices. So I hope you understand this concept now if you didn't already know this before, because this is how Tailwind CSS works. It uses this approach for responsive web design. You'll have to start thinking mobile first. You'll see exactly how to do that in the next video.